In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Trello in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your profile for professional purposes or refreshing your online presence, changing your name on Trello can be done with ease. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once there, look for the login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Upon clicking login, you will have various options to access your account. For this guide, we'll use the Google option. Click on the Google button, and if you're already signed into a Google account, you'll see a list of options. Simply choose your account from the list. If you're not signed in, you'll need to enter your Google credentials to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile photo. Click on this image to reveal a drop-down menu offering several options. From this menu, select Profile and Visibility. This will take you to a section where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Atlassian Profile link. Click on this link to access your Atlassian account's profile settings, as Trello is integrated with Atlassian. It's important to remember this as you'll be redirected to manage your profile details in a secure way. After navigating to the Atlassian profile page, focus on the section titled Full Name. You'll see your current name displayed there. Click on it to make changes. Now you have the opportunity to type in the desired name that you want to appear on your Trello account. Make sure to double check the spelling and format to ensure it appears the way you want. Once you've typed in your new name, look for the checkmark icon. Clicking this checkmark will save your changes. This step is crucial as it applies your new name across your Trello platform, ensuring that it reflects immediately in your personal and collaborative spaces. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your name on Trello. Remember, updating your profile details regularly, particularly if you have undergone a name change or rebrand, helps maintain consistent information for your team or public projects. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.